Rolls-Royce unveils a groundbreaking plan to design micro-nuclear reactors into space vehicles, leveraging their existing designs. This innovative technology promises to revolutionize the way we think about energy and transportation. Imagine a future where micro-reactors revolutionize various sectors. This could significantly reduce our reliance on traditional energy sources and help meet the growing energy demands of an industrializing world. As many developing countries industrialize, the strain on global energy supplies intensifies. The rise of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency mining further exacerbates this demand. Micro-reactors offer a promising solution to meet these growing energy needs and maintain energy security and independence. Micro-reactors, like the one being developed by Rolls-Royce, have the potential to revolutionize multiple sectors beyond space exploration.
These compact nuclear reactors can provide a reliable and sustainable energy source for remote communities, reducing their dependence on fossil fuels.
In the industrial sector, micro-reactors can ensure a steady supply of power for manufacturing processes, enhancing efficiency and productivity.
Healthcare facilities, especially in disaster-prone areas, can benefit from the consistent and resilient energy provided by micro-reactors, ensuring critical medical equipment remains operational.
Additionally, research institutions can leverage this technology to power high-energy experiments and data centers, pushing the boundaries of innovation.
In agriculture, micro-reactors can support irrigation systems and food processing units, promoting sustainable farming practices.
The versatility of micro-reactors makes them a promising solution for a wide range of applications, paving the way for a more sustainable and resilient future. Meanwhile, geopolitical dynamics add another layer of complexity. Russia's position as a major energy supplier poses a threat to European energy security. By developing micro-nuclear reactors, the United Kingdom can enhance its strategic energy independence and resilience. Rolls-Royce's micro-reactor technology is not just about innovation, it's a strategic imperative for the UK. It positions the country as a leader in next-generation nuclear engineering, supporting both national power needs and export capabilities.
This technology could prompt a significant regulatory overhaul. As we integrate advanced nuclear solutions into everyday applications, we must ensure robust safety standards and international cooperation.
Micro-nuclear reactors produce minimal greenhouse gases, making them a crucial tool in combating climate change and reducing our carbon footprint. Their small size and efficiency also mean less waste and a smaller environmental footprint overall. The economic benefits are also significant, from job creation in the nuclear and energy sectors to potential reductions in energy costs over time. Public safety is paramount. Rolls-Royce is committed to ensuring these reactors are safe, with rigorous testing and multiple safety layers to protect against any potential risks. Rolls-Royce's micronuclear reactors represent a bold step towards a sustainable and secure energy future. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the potential of this transformative technology.